Southwest Airlines has the friendliest policy when it comes to taking advantage of a drop in fares. It's pretty simple. Today at Travel Award Search, we're going to walk through the process so you can see it. Right now, Southwest has a sale going on. So anytime they have a sale, I check any reservations we currently hold to see if those flights have dropped in price. Log into your Southwest Airlines account and go to your trips and select each one that you want to check. And we're going to check this one for February 25th. So drop down to details. If you have any problems pulling up the flight from details, go into manage reservations. Just fill this in with the confirmation number of the flight you're looking for and your name. And then it should pull up the reservation details screen. And right across from the confirmation number, you'll see change. So just click on that and then go down and just click on the flight you're looking at. And it will ask you for the depart date. You can look for other dates. In this instance, we're going to look at exactly the same flights and click on Explore Options. It will come back and give you the flights for the entire day with the difference in fare, a negative being a refund. So we're going to scroll down the page to find the flight that we have booked, and you see it is highlighted as current flight and is $15 less than we had booked. The same thing works if you've booked on points, and it will give you a refund in points. And I say refund, really it comes back in dollars as a flight credit and in points as a point deposit to your account. So I'm just going to click on that and it will come back with this screen showing it's been selected. Just hit review changes and then complete the process. This change was just for a relatively small amount, but I have seen the differences be significant at times. So be sure and check whenever Southwest has a sale. We hope you enjoyed this Travel Award Search video. If you did, please support us by giving us a like, subscribing to the channel, or sharing the video with friends that might be interested too. Check out our Travel Award Search website at, you guessed it, travelawardsearch.com, and join our Facebook group where we post a lot of news about sales and other information on traveling on points, so you can make them go further and travel wisely, travel well. Thank you.